This is Tim Kukla. Welcome to 412 Cayuga Drive, a perfect size, beautiful house on the lake in Tellico Village.
Custom built with every feature you'd want by Weaver Construction. Come on out, we'll show you the property. It's beautiful.
Welcome to 412 Cayuga Drive in Tellico Village. Custom built in 2017, only the highest construction values have been integrated into this estate. Take in the great room beneath vaulted ceilings with that terrific lake view, centered by a wood-burning fireplace with gas logs. From the foyer, your exquisite dining room beneath a tray ceiling, and the kitchen with this extra spacious island that is also the perfect counter space. Quartz countertops, plenty of cabinet storage, and stainless steel appliances make this kitchen the most functional you'll experience. And all appliances convey with the home. After your meal, step out on the screened-in porch with its own fireplace, or enjoy green egg prepared meals at the grilling deck. Welcome to the master bedroom with its own lake view and protected by Pella windows. Your master bath features a spacious double vanity, a freestanding deep tub, and large walk-in shower with double nozzles. The elevator takes you downstairs to a great second living room, centered by its own fireplace and its own kitchenette. When you add this heated and cooled flex room, personal boat dock with 6,000-pound lift, and so many other features, it's apparent you must see 412 Cayuga Drive in Tellico Village.
Thanks for touring this beautiful lakefront property in Tellico Village. Appreciate it.
See you soon.